In this lesson we are going to learn about frequency adverbs.
Frequency adverbs are words that tell us how frequently we do something. They go from never 0% to always 100%. Some are always, frequently, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom and never.
Los adverbios de frecuencia son palabras que nos indican qué tan frecuentemente hacemos algo. Van de nunca 0% a siempre 100%. Algunos son siempre, frecuentemente, usualmente, a menudo, algunas veces, raramente, rara vez y nunca.
Dependiendo del verbo, varía la posición del adverbio de frecuencia. 1. Con el verbo ser o estar, primero va el verbo y luego el adverbio de frecuencia. 2. Con los otros verbos, primero va el adverbio de frecuencia y luego el verbo. A continuación vamos a revisar el primer caso.
Adverbs of frequency come after, second, the verb to be, first.
Let's do the following examples. Put the words in parentheses in the correct place in the sentence.
1. He is late. Often.
Según la regla visto anteriormente, primero va el verbo ser o estar y luego el adverbio de frecuencia, entonces la oración quedaría.
1. He is often late.
2. She is wrong, never.
La oración queda.
She is never wrong.
Ahora veremos el segundo caso, cuando es cualquier verbo excepto el verbo ser o estar. En este caso, el adverbio de frecuencia va antes del verbo.
3. She gets up early. Always.
La oración queda.
3. She always gets up early.
4. We go to the movies. Sometimes.
La oración queda.
4. We sometimes go to the movies.
Check the following exercises. You are going to write sentences about how often a friend of yours does each of these activities in the attached quiz in Google Classroom. Use each frequency adverb once. Check the example first. 0. Be late for class, 0 times a week.
0. My friend is never late for class.
1. Cook at home, 6 times a week.
1. My friend _.
2. Chat online, 3 times a month.
2. My friend _.
3. Drive to work, every workday.
3. My friend _.
4. Play video games, once a year.
4. My friend _.
5. Watch the news, 4 times a week.
5. My friend _.
To make questions that include frequency adverbs you can use. How often do you? How often are you? How frequently do you? How frequently are you?
Para hacer preguntas que incluyen adverbios de frecuencia puedes usar. ¿Qué tan a menudo? ¿Qué tan a menudo estás? ¿Qué tan frecuentemente? ¿Qué tan frecuentemente estás?
How often do you walk for school?
I seldom walk for school.
How often do you read books at the library?
I always read books at the library.
How often do you use a cheat sheet in an exam?
I never use a cheat sheet in an exam.
How frequently are you late for your English class?
I am seldom late for my English class.
The adverbial phrases come at the start or end of a clause. Here are some examples of adverbial phrases of time: as soon as, after, before, until, once in a while, whenever, while, when, almost always, almost never. You may want to check their meaning in an online dictionary such as wordreference.com. Try pressing the speaker icon to check how they are pronounced and also check the examples they provide.
When you have finished your assignment, you can go home.
While you were sleeping, I was exercising.
As soon as it started to rain, she put on her raincoat.
I watch sport events on TV once in a while.
Now you are going to answer the following questions. Practice several times. After you make sure there are no grammatical or pronunciation errors, record this section and yourself answering the questions. Then email your recording to your professor. You have 4 seconds to answer each question. Answer complete sentences and use the frequency adverbs.
1. What do you seldom do when you are in English class? 2. What do you often do when you are in English class? 3. What do you usually eat for breakfast? 4. What do you sometimes eat for lunch? 5. Are you always tired in the mornings? Why? Or why not? 6. Are you always tired in the evenings? Why? Or why not? 7. What do you often do on the weekends? 8. What kinds of food do you rarely eat? Why? 9. What things do you seldom drink? Why? 10. What time do you usually get up in the mornings? 11. What time do you usually go to bed at night? 12. What do you hardly ever watch on TV? Why? 13. Do you always text your friends? Why? Or why not? 14. Do you always check your email? Why? Or why not? 15. What do you sometimes dream about? 16. What do you sometimes think about? Why?
'Well, that's all for today's lesson. Have a good day.